Essentially what we've been able to do today is bring some of the newer stuff up that we've been working on. A lot of the questions that come up is getting a job in the industry. How do I make my CV sound better than someone else's, or appealing for someone to employ me? I think that the main thing is just, any word of advice is just get experience.
On top of them leaving with their academic qualifications and networking opportunities, they leave with a large portfolio of work. We have up and running the Industry Award, again to try and forge direct links with industry, so that they're not just leaving with an academic qualification, being able to network and market themselves directly to the industry.
In the future, I feel like this is pretty valuable experience. It's a lot of tech that you don't usually get hands-on with.